Innovators. Challengers. It's their curiosity, courage, and compassion that drive the world forward. Their spirit sees and does things differently, never settling for ordinary, always challenging the status quo. Who are they? They're designers, engineers, craftspeople, frontline heroes, leaders. The nature of their work may differ, just like their backgrounds, but they share one common trait: going the extra mile. As the smart and friendly Japanese challenger, that's what we always do around the world. It's our way of life, and it's in our DNA that has been passed down for generations. We are UD Trucks. Every extra mile makes our products and services better, ensuring ultimate dependability, keeping society moving, and contributing to a better life. Going the extra mile knows no boundaries. Join us on our journey as together we shape the future.